Hey there everyone, so as you can see on the thumbnails, I'm about to teach you how to delete all your friends on your Roblox at once, in an easy and quick way. So without further ado, let's get started. Alright, so first of all, open your Roblox app application on your mobile device, and tap the More section on the bottom left corner. After that, tap the Friends tab to view all of your friends. So here's the thing, Roblox does not have a button to delete all friends at once on mobile, but I will show you the easiest way to remove friends one by one. So for each friend, tap on their username, on their profile tap the three dots, and tap on friends. Repeat this for every friend you want to remove. If you don't want to do all that, you can make a new Roblox account. This gives you a clean list with 0 friends. So that's it, now you know how to delete all friends on your Roblox using just your phone. Thanks for watching and take care.